All right, well, last night's video got a little dark and everything was a lot grainier than what I wanted it to be. So this is the trailer that's going to the Bunyan show. I'm still up in the air whether I'm going to make it or not. We just had some things come through here on a personal level. Might have some medical needs to attend to family-wise, so appreciate your thoughts and kind prayers on that front, but won't burden you down with that stuff. But we do have a SplitForce SF9, 3 semi-pros, a Grapple, and a wrapper all heading to the show. So let me jump up on the trailer and I'll tell you all about it. All right, so we got the gooseneck loaded and strapped down. We have this SF9. It is a towable unit, obviously. We will have a self-propelled, it'll be a 13 horsepower, 20-foot conveyor. That's going to be available at the show. It's going to be Battleship Gray. It's actually kind of cool. That's going to be out there. Matt is going to have that. I'll put prices on everything down in the descriptions below just so everybody can track it. Again, semi-pro, standard cylinders, standard, automatic return, but you got to hold the lever down for the forward split. We do have a log grapple going out. We do have a wrapper going out. Another base model semi-pro, standard 3.5-inch cylinder with that about 3.5-4 second cycle time. The log lift is always standard on any of the units that are semi-pro. Then with this one, I'll go around the trailer because it has the auto cycle valve on it. You'll see the double levers, and then the smaller one over there is the log lift. So this is a big cylinder on it too. We did the upgraded cylinder, so we went from the 3.5 to a 4.5, and we even did, just like the other bigger splitters, we did a travel lock, the blue knob, so you can tighten that down, and that kind of works as like a flow valve for the log lift, so you can kind of choke it back a little bit and not throw stuff up and over. You can just kind of slow down the raise and lower of the log lift itself. And then we do have a 6-way in this one, and then it is also going to ship with the standard 4-way that'll be available to go with it. So again, 3 semi-pros, a wrapper, a grapple, and a SplitForce vertical splitter are all going to the show. And if I do not make it to the show, I'll put $4,000 towards shipping on this 1824 diesel machine. And again, it is all hopped up. We have a 10-foot extended frame on it, which gives you the 5 legs. We have an LED light kit. We have the operator station on it. We have fast split. We have auto cycle. We have a 2-stage pump. The positive stop is always standard on a diesel. The last log holder is always standard on an 1824. We have an auto tensioner on the saw bar that is standard on the 1824 diesel. We did the upgraded 18-foot fold over the top conveyor. We did rear auxiliary remotes on this one. So you do get the option of running like a cleaner or another stacking conveyor right off the unit itself. The sawdust chute is included. Again, 2-stage pump. That's just your oil cooler, pretty standard. Your oil tank for the bar oil. Stuck one of our logos on it. This is a Kohler 49.5 horsepower diesel. No emissions. There's an EGR valve, but no DPF. Big diesel tank. I will fill that with fuel before she leaves the yard. And the toolbox is standard. Trying to think if I missed anything else. Oh, we're sending this with the full wedge package. Again, 10-foot frame, 18-foot fold over, 2-stage pump, the rear remotes, fast split, auto cycle, lights, the seat, and then we are doing a full wedge package with this one, 4-way, 6-way, 8-way, 10-way. And we are going to price this one at $113,000. And I'll put $4,500 towards shipping to get it to your door. Sound fair? All right, so just trying to convert iron to cash. Gonna have a couple medical bills coming up, to be honest. Again, appreciate your thoughts and prayers, but this is just some stuff that we had ordered back in like February, March time frame, so we could have stuff available for the fall. It's for sale. It's not for free, but again, if we can earn your business, this is what we've got available. Again, a list for the smaller stuff I'll put in the description down below so you know what it is. It will be available at the Paul Bunyan Show this coming weekend out in Cambridge, Ohio. If you have any questions, you can hit me on the 833 splitter line. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And I would love to see you there. Maybe we'll see how the weekend plays out, but it's not looking good. But you can always catch us here on the YouTube channel. All right, well, I wasn't going to do this, but I just got a phone call from a gentleman, and he said how much he appreciated knowing what the prices were on stuff going to the show when we were in Boonville. So I just hooked up the Chevy. We're going to head out to see Matt from SplitForce to hand off the trailer to him so he could take it to Bunyan for me, and just gonna run down the trailer quick, tell you unit numbers and prices, and go from there. No mystery, it's all for sale. Bring a check. All right, I'm gonna see if I can walk down the trailer here without killing myself and do it all in one take. So this is the SF9. Normally they're $8,900, $1,000 for the log lift. Transport ran me $800 to get it from Canada to Pennsylvania, so it should be $10,700. I'm going to eat it and just call it $9,900 on this towable unit. Next up is just a standard semi-pro from Brute Force. These I do have unit numbers on, so nothing gets confused on paper. So this is unit 5332. Again, base model, normally $8,900. And that had a little bit of transport coming in from Brute Force to here. Actually, Brute Force to the show. And then I paid to get it from the show in New York to here. So I'm going to eat that, and we're going to call it $8,600. The gentleman I was just on the phone with is probably going to take the wrapper, but I'm still going to toss it out there anyway, just in case. So this one is unit number 5711 and 2850. This is our Brute Force log grapple. It was on the same invoice coming inbound from Brute Force. So again, unit number 5711. We'll get $3,400 for this one. Another base model semi-pro. Walk over here and show you the numbers here. Again, it's 5334, and struck it down to $8,600. I do believe I have this one sold, but again, we'll wait and see what happens at the show. But again, a base model semi-pro. And then we have the Auto Cycle big cylinder, so 4.5-inch cylinder with a big bore rod. And this one is unit number 5442. Auto Cycle fast split 4.5-inch cylinder upgrade, normally $11,900. We'll take a full $1,000 off of that for the show for $10,900. Again, just looking to move some units and create some revenue to pay some bills. So there's our pricing. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on everything we have going on. And the videos that we produce are not a paid promotion by the manufacturer. So again, if we can earn your business with that sales quote, we'd love to do that and tailor make you a quote so you can own an awesome tailor-made machine like this behind me and put it in your own woodlot. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.